Hi, hello, welcome friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about GST updates. So here we have three updates I am going to discuss. What is that three updates? One will be relating to REG 10 form, and other one is GSTR 5A, and another one is biometric Aadhaar authentication. So about these three updates I will going to share in this video. Now first, who will apply for REG 1 and REG and GSTR of 5A? GSTR is 5A is like as same as we is under GST registration. Now we are filing in GSTR 3B na, same like as GSTR 5A for those persons who are registering in GSTR 10. So who will register in GSTR 10? So the year the mostly two persons will be registered. One who is supplying online money gaming to a person who is outside country locating person. So for example, one person is there, he is outside person, means outside India he is staying, and another person is there in India. He is providing one service to this person, that online money gaming. For example, this Rummy or Betraja, this person providing services in from their other country, and this services will providing na. So then the persons required to fill this REG 10 form for getting the GST registration. They must get a GST registration in India and they must pay the fine. Okay, now if they are new person, it is okay for filing the REG 10 form. If it is person, they are already existing person, so they will migrate with a registering person. So here they will tell that information. So if you are a new registration, fill the REG 10 form, and if you are existing person, you need to amendment your registration. Next, first GSTR REG 10 form. So in REG GSTR 10 form, they will provide the type of supply. In that type of supply, you need to provide whether you are providing gaming services, or whether you are providing OIDR services, or whether you are providing three services. So in that type, you must select one type of supply which you are providing, and you need to upload some documents and other number and whatever the information they will ask, you need to provide. Next, 5A, it is who are registered in this form 10. Yeah, this person is required to file form GSTR 5A, and in that table 5D and 5E of form 5A, they this information online money gaming service information and additional information, means what is there in REG form. In this we categorize it into two parts, one part A and part B. One part A, you need to select the type of supply, whether you are providing online gaming or whether you are OIDR, or if you are providing both services, you need to select option C. And part B, in part B you need to provide whether date of commencement is from now onwards, or if you are already existing business, you need to just migrate, means amendment your registration, and you need to provide the URL link. That is, you one site is there now for that site visiting site address. For example, Rummy means www.rummy.com or www.betraja.com. This URL link you need to provide, and declaration, self declarations. Yes, I am hereby providing this information, and where place and date and signature you need to provide. So about two informations, REG 10 and form GSTR 5A. Next, another information relating to biometric Aadhaar authentication and documents verification. So now we are filing GST registration, and after that we are going for OTP based GST registration. Means you are sending one portal will sending one link for OTP verification, Aadhaar verification. From that link you are opening and entering the GST number and Aadhaar number, and you will entering only OTP. But some cases, what happen na, it will, there must be some differences, like name. For example, my name is K Haribabu. So if we see in Aadhaar card, they provide Haribabu, or in PAN card if we see K Haribabu, so it's some difference is there, or in date of birth some difference is there. So it will not get the OTP, or if you are not updated the phone number in Aadhaar authentication, then you need to select another option which is a biometric Aadhaar verification. In previously we will not selected Aadhaar authentication, they will verify physical verification. But if what happened now, when they came our office, they will ask the amounts, so that government they are not knowing where visiting or not, or how they are providing now, so that it is expenditure to government. When the person means GST officer going to the person's assessee's place, they will expenditure is there. Now they converted their expenditure to the client. How? Now you need to book one slot. How? If you want to LLR registration, you need to book one slot, and you need to record one, give the one date, and they provide on the date you need to attend their place. So here also they take and come the same functionality. Now first, if you submitted RAG1 form and they provide either that link based OTP Aadhaar authentication, or if you are not got the OTPs, or if you have any problem in OTP base, then you need to book one date, and one date if it will message with who will receive that visit GST Suvidha Kendra. So they provide some Kendras, and you need to visit their place. So you need to visit their place, and you need to give your biometric, and you need to take one photograph, and you need to submit some details, whatever at the time of registration what you are providing now, that details you need to provide. So hard copies of appointment confirmation letter if you get the confirmation email, and details of jurisdiction, which jurisdiction you will be placed, other number, and other documentation. Then the GST Suvidha Kendra persons who are there, they will take our biometric, and they will take our photo, and they will take this information. And after that, once verification is completed, if you are taken for biometric verification, it will generate AR number will be generated. Now it will be some Gujarat state and some other notified states are provided, and it will be almost operating days only they will provide the date confirmation. So I have discussed in three updates. One is REG10, and another one is GSTR 5 related, and another one is other authentication related to biometric authentication. So thank you.